buddy. Cameron. What you doing? Hey. Hey, big boy. CJ. Look over here. Hey. What you doing? Do you want to crawl and go somewhere? You tired of just sitting in the same spot? Huh? You getting stronger? CJ. Hey, what's in front of you? Is that your teether? Ooh, yummy. Are you drooling over it? Get it. Get it, Cameron. Does it look tasty? Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Look at that height. You are holding that head up way high. CJ. CJ. Your head is going to touch the back of your heels. Tell everyone hi.